just to explain what you see here, these are 10 prints that I took from this block that I have on the table. Each one of these prints will be 2 or more colors, no more than 3. And they will be for sale on my website for those who are interested. Now, the way that I did this is similar to how I did it in the first 4 videos of my transferring the image to Woodblock. What I did is I took a photo of a trail in our local wilderness area. I made an inkjet copy of the photo. I applied matte medium to both the block and the photo, sandwiched them together. 24 hours later, I rubbed off the paper, a little bit of the image remained, and I carved into the block according to the image that I saw. So that is what's going to happen with this, with all these prints that are hanging on this line right now. So it's going to continue. I'm going to do some more videos on this. I'm going to add the other color. I may not show all of them as I'm doing them, but I'll do one of each, so this way you guys can see how all this turns out, and I'll show the final video with the completed print.